How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to do Skal's version of a Sloppy Joe. We're going to start off with our onion, get that nice and caramelized very first thing. Get them in there moving around. Let those start cooking. While those are cooking, we're going to go ahead and get our ground beef, get it going. And we are going to season with some of the Valhalla Skål original seasoning.
Look at it just caramelizing on the Blackstone. Never seen nothing like it in your life.
Once the onions just start to go translucent, we'll add our mushrooms. The Blackstone is set to cook on low, just so everybody knows. We're not running any kind of crazy extreme heat. Now, bring that over, everything in. Those flavors are infusing. We get our sweet Hawaiian buns.
Oh.
Get the bottom side toasting.
Toast it to most it. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Alright.
They're with us in spirit.
Right.
How is it we only have two hands with so much to do?
Yeah, that's the Blackstone.
Alright, what we got here?
This is going to be our Valhalla Skål original sauce.
Alright.
Go right in on top of that. And we're going to come in on top of that, pepper jack cheese. Just like that. Oh,
yeah. You're not two full sizes? You got it. You got this. Close. Pretty close. Get it in there. Pretty close. Pretty close. I can respect the effort.
that we consider.
That's it. Those are the bag fries.
Yeah.
All right.
Get this off of here.
Why?
It's getting slightly warm.
Think so?
Yeah. Let's take it back there.
All right. I'll just keep rolling. Here we go.
Oh my God!
They are hot. All right. Let's see what we got. See what we got. Oh my God. Look at that.